Hey, welcome back. I am Rosco, and today we are installing a bidet sprayer by Mainstays. If this is your first time here at Rosco Reviews, please give us a like and subscribe. We really do appreciate it. To install the bidet sprayer, you're going to want to put a towel down because we will drip a little bit of water on the floor. First, turn the water off to the toilet, and we're going to be disconnecting the toilet supply line up where it connects to the tank. This will be where the bidet sprayer attaches. I recommend connecting the bidet sprayer to the valve before you attach the valve to the bottom of the toilet tank. It just makes it a little bit easier. The sprayer hose does have a rubber gasket in it, but I have used some Teflon tape on mine. I think it's a good idea. I've seen these sprayer hoses leak from this joint before. We'll go ahead and screw that sprayer hose on, and then you'll probably need a wrench or a pair of pliers to tighten it up to get it nice and snug. Next, we'll attach that diverter valve up to the bottom of the toilet tank. Be sure that that rubber gasket is in there. They do fall out of these sometimes. Start that on there with your fingers, and then you will probably need a wrench or a pair of pliers to go ahead and snug that up to the bottom of the tank. Now we can screw the supply line up to the bottom of that diverter valve. These you're able to typically get tight enough with your hands and you won't need a pair of pliers. Once you have the supply line snug, we can go ahead and turn the water back on. I would recommend turning it on slowly at first just to make sure that there are no leaks. If you don't see any leaks when you have the water back on, you can adjust the diverter valve all the way out to the side like this is all the way on. Test the sprayer and you can adjust the diverter valve to somewhere in between off and on if you would like a softer spray. The final step is to hang the sprayer from the holster. Typically it's on the side of the tank, but for the purposes of the video I did it on the front so we can see it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.